Good morning, good morning. Today we're taking a look at XRP on the long-term and short-term timeframes, along with the liquidity and the Sigma coin. So as of right now, we are still red. So our red indicator showed up. Everybody in the Sigma Discord who has 160 million Sigma or more was alerted to the exit here at the 175 region. Technically, we would have been exiting up here at the $2 region, but regardless, we have most people would have gotten out right around this region. So now, right up here. So now we're just waiting and watching to see which of these two levels play out. So what we're doing is, as of right now, we're either going to be moving out to the top of the range where we come out, backtest and off, or we turn around, go sideways, break down one more time, hitting the 618, which would give us a $90 price action. And from here, we have the -2 deviations, which would be 96 cents from our indicator. So we are, and as you can see, these lines, these purple and blue lines, have been extremely consistent. So you can zoom in on the price action. We're trapped between these two as we chop our way up. We move along on top of the one, hit the +2, backtest, backtest, get under, backtest again, lose it, backtest, up, hit resistance. Support through the region, resistance, and then we come back down, backtest violently, and now lost it. So with the loss that we've now actually had here, it is likely that we'll come back down to the bottom of the range and hit these lows. So that's what we're kind of watching for. So two pathways. Which one are we going to do? As of right now, no strength coming in on our indicator to tell us that we're going to be doing this path. So right now I'm biased down based off of the red. So zooming in on the short time frames, the question though still is valid. Do we in fact have a completion of a 5-way move down already? Or is it something bigger where we actually have a large removal like this, or maybe even meaner, where like this wave 4 is not even beginning to be done and we're going to head down like this, and this is like maybe even just wave 1, right? Like what if we're really getting annoying? So something along this lines, right? Could be. We'll find out together. So ultimately, these types of things can definitely be pretty wild, and that's what we're going to have to watch for these two pockets of supply right here, and this would take us down into that 90-cent region if it plays. So, so the optimism in me says I would love this to be our answer, but the extra optimism, because I'm currently in cash because of our indicator, wants me to be down here so I could get more. So we'll watch that together. And that's what we're ultimately doing as this price action plays out. So liquidity does kind of favor the down, because sadly we do have liquidity to the upside, which generally tends to be after an A, B, and then we come up for a C. We would hit up here and then roll over for the next leg down. So we'll be watching this together. And the Sigma coin though is seeing some good support here. So we finally have maybe a reversal. So we'll see if this ultimately plays, because as XRP is floundering, possibly the altcoins upon it, the layer 2s, might actually be catching bids. So we've had a huge massive sell-off, pull down, got ourselves to 450K market cap. Great opportunity to get into the community and get access to this indication alert through the Discord and a community to discuss everything. And with that, you hopefully will see price appreciation in your acquisition. So that's what we're watching. Yesterday we went over some levels. We've got plenty of upside now. So with this 600%, just a retrace, that's all we're looking for. Just a retrace. You're now at 600% with this today's move. So we will continue to monitor, but hopefully that would be a good way to assist you in your journey with an appreciation of the asset. So we will see. So 600% to the 618 retrace. And you'll be curious to see if Sigma is able to maintain its trajectory to the upside. If it does, it could actually indicate that with a move to the upside like this for Sigma, we would actually be looking at the scenario where we are now actually done on the 5 waves, right? And then finally finishing with that giving us the up path. So we will wait, watch, and see. So that's what we're looking at here with this price action. So possible bullish divergence that I'm seeing here as I'm looking at this. We have an oversold right into this region, pop off the lows, another selling pressure, but this one may manifest with a higher low, but we won't know for another week to see if this is in fact a higher low on this indicator and a lower load here. So we will just have to wait, watch, and see. So we've got at least a week to check it out. I mean, we'll know real quick if that's going to be the case. So, all right, guys, we will check in tomorrow, and thank you so much for watching.